In this short tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of Cardiol Therapeutics Inc. Cardiol Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotech focused on cardiac therapies, listed on NASDAQ as CRDL, and this guide is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds to place a trade. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type CRDL and select the listing that matches Cardiol Therapeutics to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent price action. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker CRDL to confirm you have the right asset. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.